New data shows TSA officers have been catching COVID at a higher rate in the last month than ever before in the pandemic, with 24 new cases here at McCarran. TSA data shows 65 McCarran TSA officers have tested positive total since the pandemic began. Reno Tahoe's airport? Only 8. This TSA spokesperson says they are taking all the precautions.
They're wearing a surgical mask or an N95 mask. If they're in a position where they have closer contact with a traveler, they're going to be wearing a face shield. So our employees, if they are not feeling well, regardless of what it is, they are asked to stay home. No questions. And there is a special category of leave that we use for that.
Dankers does have tips for travelers, though.
Always unpack your bag before you pack it so you don't have any surprises in the checkpoint, because not only do you not want to have a bag check, our officers don't want to have to do bag checks because that increases exposure.
She's asking travelers to be mindful of restricted items so as to avoid added screenings.
You'll be able to social distance from our employees. They'll be able to social distance from you, and you'll be through and headed to your gate.
One traveler we spoke to agrees it's best to think ahead.
Not me in particular, but one time we were traveling with a friend of ours and they had water in their bag and he got stopped and ended up getting patted down in the whole 9 yards. So if you have restricted items in your baggage, then you stop the whole security line and you have to go through all your bags, and it's just easier if you don't have to do that.
That's why Dankers says TSA created a mobile app.
Please download the My TSA app. And what that does is it gives you information on a couple of important things. Number one, a database of items that are prohibited in your carry-on luggage. You can enter the name of the item and it will tell you whether you should carry it on or check it.
Information was not disclosed on whether any of the McCarran cases are currently active, but the most recent employee tested positive on Tuesday, according to their data. Reporting from McCarran International, Maddie White, Fox 5 News, local Las Vegas.